Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and welcome to our channel today. I appreciate y'all being here. And if you're new to the channel, if you're finding us that very first time, welcome. It's good to have you. And our topic today, it's hidden opportunities to increase your gym's value. Hidden opportunities to increase your gym's value. Now, before we get into our topic today, just a quick reminder, my focus, my mission here in the channel is I want to be able to provide as much information as I can to as many people as I can across the globe. And the best way I can do that is when you choose to subscribe to the channel. So if you've not yet done so, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. And then for you folks who are looking to open a new gym, you need funding. You're looking to acquire a gym, you need funding. You have an existing operation, you need working capital. We can help provide funding options from between $50,000 and $500,000 in funding that is unsecured, no restrictions on use. And the basic qualification for that program is a 680 credit score or better in all three credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, and minimum income of $50,000 per year each of the two previous years. You can check the links below under financing and funding for more information on that program, as well as additional opportunities to help you grow your business. And so with that said, let's get into our topic here today, hidden opportunities to increase your gym's value. And I want to give you some things to think about that sometimes, we lose sight of a little bit. And number one, your clients, your customers, your members, they don't know everything that you can do to help them. They don't know. They might be focused, it's tunnel vision, they know one thing. So make sure your clients are aware, and there's a lot of ways you can do this. I mean, email marketing, flyers, promotional events, a lot of ways you can do this. But make sure your customers know all the ways that you can help them. Number two, you're confusing your potential customers. You're confusing them, okay? They don't know. And we see this a lot of times in the sale where, confusion will be the reason we don't make the sale. So we want to make sure we're keeping things simple and we're focused on, what the customer's looking for, looking to solve their problem. Number three, on hidden opportunities to increase your gym's value. Clients, your clients, your customers, your members, they'll tell you what they need, but we're not hearing what they want, okay? And they might need to lose 20 pounds. They might want to fit in those skinny jeans, okay? So make sure that when they tell us what they need, we want to make sure we hear what they want. We begin to understand that. Number four, and I see this one a lot. This is a big one. Some of your loyal members don't want to work with you. Some of your loyal members don't want to work with you. Let me tell you what I mean by that. One of the things that I see happen frequently is you might have members that have been at your gym for quite some time, but they're getting their personal training somewhere else. They're not getting it from you. It's one of the common ones that I see, okay? And there's value there for you. There's ways that you can go about that, to improve your business. Number five, this has to do a little more with staffing, but you don't know what your best people want. Your best staff, your best people, what do they want? All your staff, what is it they want? Why is this important to you? The more we can identify this, the more we can improve that culture, it's going to improve your brand, it's going to improve your retention, it's going to improve your referrals, it's going to work all the way through. And then number six, we see this again frequently, and of course we get involved with a lot of these folks, but gym owners are not leveraging experts. Associate with folks that have been through this and know how to get out of it, that there's indeed something to get out of, but they also know how to move this forward. So some hidden opportunities to improve your gym's value, some hidden opportunities to increase your gym's value. Take a look at these, see which ones you can start to address to start to improve your business. And so with that said, hey, I appreciate you being here today. Again, my name is Jim Thomas, and my company is Fitness Management and Consulting. You can learn more about me and my company in the description box below. And if you've not yet hit that subscribe button, please do so. And then again, for you folks who are looking to open a new gym and you need funding, you're looking to acquire a gym, you need funding, you have an existing operation, you might need some working capital. We can help provide funding options for between $50,000 and $500,000 in funding. Minimum credit scores of 680 or better in Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and minimum income of $50,000 per year each of the 2 previous years. So again, appreciate you being here, and we look forward to seeing you all in that next video.